So today I want to do my morning market analysis for May 14. So today is Thursday. So we want to check the currencies that have the red folders before analyzing the charts, and then we will go to the charts to see the structure of every pair that are traded. So without further ado, let's start with it. We have GBP at 8 a.m. So GBP is going to be affected at 8 a.m. today. And also we have USD at 2:2 core retail sales. So these are the big news that we have today. And employment claims also, we also have that on USD. So we want to see what are they going to be affected and when the market is going to be affected, because we need to know when the news is in the market and when the news is out of the market, because the movement of the news will cause the market to move to a specific direction, but the news doesn't change the direction of the market. So yeah, this is, let's start with Euro USD. Euro USD, we said we need a downward movement, and we did receive a downward movement. So now we have a downward movement from this point. Now we go to the daily so that we will see what is happening on the daily, for us to be able to find or to see the structure on the higher time frame. So the daily is telling us the market has reached this level. If the market has reached this level, this is going to give us a confirmation that the market have a greater chance to move again to the upper side, because it came to retest. It's like a pullback. The market was in this zone and then tried to move, and then it changed the direction to the upper side, and after that it came down into that zone to retest in it. Now it is now finding its way to the upper side direction, and if you can see that the market is looking for its way to the upper direction, but for you to be able to trade this one, you need to be very, very careful, because at first like this, it is not starting with going to the upper side direction. It is going to consolidate again. Let me remove this because we finished. It is going to consolidate again. It will be a move to the upper side, but not a move that you think it will just happen like at that time. We need patience in this game. So this is the area where the market reached. It's a demand zone. So the market will move to the upper side to reach maybe here, and then it too came back. It will come back again to the downside like this. It is going to do that. after that it will go up like this, and then it will come back to this downside level, and then it will check its direction to the upper side like this. So this is what we need to wait for, because we need to see the market always we need to see the market showing its way, so that will take the markets to that direction, because we don't want to be the first ones to check the trade. Because if you are going to be the first to enter before the market shows you it is taking that direction, maybe the market is not going to go to that side, because it didn't give you the right confirmation for that movement. Because if you are only the first person to show up, you are not going to see the right confirmation. You will be having doubts on the trade. But if you wait for the market to first tell you that it is going to take that direction, you will be in a confidence zone that the market is going to that direction, unlike first taking the trade before it tells you that it is going to move in that direction. So right now we are able to analyze the Euro USD, but we need also to see other currencies, current pairs. So go to USD CAD. So this is USD CAD. It was moving to the upper direction like this, and what we need right now is to try to analyze it, so that maybe we can find trades that we can take. So let's go to daily to see if it is going to do so. So on one day it is on a rejection candle to the upper side, because now I think the market is ready to move to the downside to reach at least this level. So this is the level that I think the market is going to touch when it is going to come to the downside. So, but like what I have said, we need a confirmation on one day that is going to show us. Even on this one, the confirmation is going to be on one day, and then we will see after that day if the market have confirmed the movement to that direction. So right now we are going to see if the market is going to reject at this level, that we are not going to keep on buying or keep on going bullish direction. So we will look for our sell position from this zone, but we need a confirmation on the daily time frame that the market is no longer going up. So this is for the USD CAD. We need a downward movement right now. So, but we will see if the market is going to be able to show us that. So We go to USD CHF. We are still in our trade, and we have confidence that the market is going to keep on going high, keep on going high, keep on going high. So we are just holding our trade on this USD and it have a good movement to the upper side like this. If you can see it have a good upper side movement. So we'll see if, because the market looks like it is just ranging on this zone, if you can see it. But now what I need to do today is I need to move the stop loss above the entry. But if I do so, I'm going to take a portion of my trade. When the market is coming back to my side, I'm going to take a portion of my trade. But that is not what I want or what I consider, but I'm going to do that because for the market this is too much. It's just like 1 is to what is 1 is to 3.53. So it is very, very big, but it is good. We'll see if it is going to play. So the risk is 1 is to 3.53. So it is good. We'll see. We'll leave it like that. Maybe the market will go down again, move up, go down, but we'll see. But this is our move. We are confident about it. USD CHF, and now we go to NZD USD. NZD, we said we need a move to the upside that is going to reach this high point, and then we will see a confirmation or a rejection of buyers being rejected by sellers saying that we need to start selling, and we'll start selling on that point, not this one. This one was an intrusive 10. So that's why you are seeing this consolidation. The buyers are still in control of the market, so it is not the right one. So we'll find another entry point when the market moved to the upside and came to the downside and move also to the upper side, then we'll take the trade from that area. So yes, but the market also did confirm that it is moving to the downside, a break of structure to the downside. We need a break of structure to the upper side to confirm or to liquidate or to remove all the stops that first sellers put, saying that the market is now ready to move to the downside, because we are able to see that the first sellers are not causing the markets to move to the direction the market wants to move. So right now we will go to AUD-USD. We are not considering it, but we will see it in the following days. We'll go to GBP-USD. We are moving to the downside also, but I said I'm not considering this pair to be a type of pair that I can say I will trade. But yesterday we said we are looking for a move to the upper side, and then we'll decide whether we are going to take a trade direct from that lower high pullback to the downside to reach this zone. So we said we are looking for a move like this, and then we'll take the market to reach this area. This was my analysis yesterday, and today I am supporting that analysis. So yes, and then we'll go to NZT card. We say the market is now in a period of just consolidation, and then we'll look for a trade after that. And we'll go to AUD card. Also, Australian dollar is keeping on strengthening, and it is not that weak for card to take it to the downside. And we'll go to BTC. BTC, we are receiving a pull back to the downside, but I'm not considering it. And also gold, we said we are now at the highest point, and we are receiving too much consolidation at that point. So right now we just need to wait for the move to show up, then we'll enter our market. We'll see during the day what is going to happen, but the rejection from the upper side is very, very, very good. So we'll go to USDJPY. USDJPY, no again. Euro AUD, no. GBP AUD, no. We go to card CHL. We received this move to the downside, and no again, because the market is now collecting liquidity, finding new areas to go. And then we'll go to GBP NZD. GBP NZD, again, we received this type of trade, so I don't think we are going to find another trade soon. We'll wait for the market to give us an opportunity again, and then we'll go to Euro NZD. Euro NZD, right now Euro NZD is also the same as GBP NZD, but we will see what is going to happen. And GBP card, we said we need a move to the upper direction to take the trade to the downside. So yes, I think this is it for today. We'll see on Friday what we are going to have, because the markets are going to be affected with the news today. So yes, today this was the analysis for May 14, I think. Yes.